Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today we're trying Kellogg's Rice Krispies Milk Chocolate Fun Size Candy Bar. Like the cereal, but chocolate formed. I'm giving these out on Halloween, so I want to know what this is before I give it out. Take a bite. It's like a Crunch Bar, but better. I don't really like Crunch Bars. A knife in the video is the Boker Plus Keyhone Automatic. My rating on this candy on the low side is a 7.8 and on the high side an 8.5. It's good. Could it be better? Yes. Could it be worse? Oh, sure. It's not a Crunch Bar, which is better. Which is better for this candy bar because I don't like Crunch Bars. Let me know if you've had this candy bar in the comment section below. Rice Krispies Milk Chocolate Candy Bar. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent. Collect what you like. Be safe. Have a happy Halloween and enjoy the candy and be safe out there. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, your food, your music, your video games. Enjoy yummy candy. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.